This is today's video. 16 things I learned before I turned 16. I really want to be very honest with it. All the experiences, all the lessons, all the advices I got from people I know or the strangers, but they teach me a very good thing. So I just wanted to share it with others or everyone so that they should not do this mistake. I learned it before I turned 16. Maybe you can learn it sooner or later. It's the same. First thing, before I start everything, I just want to be very real. All I'm saying is my honest experiences. So I'm not pinpointing anyone. I don't want to pinpoint anyone. What I felt is what I am saying. So, first thing, friendship is permanent but not the friends. Friendship stays but people changes. I have like a huge belief in this because as you move from one place to another, one school to another, one thing to different thing, you left your friends behind. You have to leave them. You don't have any option because they can't be with you every time or at every place. The bond or the thing which you have in friendship, like the vibe you match with one person is can be same the vibe you match with another person at another place at another location out of nowhere, but not the person is same, right? People go, people change, their behavior change, their nature change. You will always have friends in your life, you will always have friendship in your life, but that friends will never be same to the old friends or the friends you had before or the person you had before. Second, you'll have to take that one risk on which your whole life depends. I did that. I shifted my life from like after 10th I chose J. मेरा एडमिशन दिसंबर में ही हो गया था. But then I was like in April I came here. After 2 months I realized no, it is not made for me. I'm not made for this. I left it. I just left it because I knew there is no going back. Whatever I'm going to do in my life should be something I feel I relate to it. And if I can't relate to that thing, why would I love to do that, right? I just left JE. Now I'm into designing and I'm quite a lot happy. It's okay to be overwhelmed about everything at a particular time. You can be tired up of anything. Trust me, everything has its own pace and you cannot match it. So you'll be like, one day, I don't want to do this anymore. और वो तुमसे हो नहीं रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But still, you will feel like you are very overwhelmed by that person, by that thing, by that object, by that surrounding, this, then that, then that. It's all set. And when nothing excites me, it doesn't make me happy anymore. Like you lose the spark, right? It's okay to be overwhelmed. Give time to yourself, understand what you feel, and take decisions wisely. You really don't need right time to start because if one opportunity comes and you left it, you left it. There's like you are not going to get that one thing back again, right? Because I started my YouTube channel at the age of 14, like a year back. Actually, at the age of 15, not 14, because my birthday was like after my birthday, I started my YouTube channel. And to be honest, I regret it because it has been on my wish list from childhood. I wanted to start my YouTube channel from like I was 8 or 9, but I didn't start it. Like my parents didn't allow me to start it at first, and later I started without telling them. And now they know about it and they actually supports me in it. But I started without telling them because I just wanted it. I don't want it to wait. I don't want it to be like I'll be in college and I'll start my YouTube. No, that was too way far for me. To like where I am right now, I can be there at that time. So it is so much of gap. I can grow a lot in that meantime, right? I learned editing, I learned shooting, I learned talking, I learned the space, everything. And that's what it. Don't wait for perfect moment. Just start when you feel you want to start. If you want to complete something, complete it at the moment. Don't wait for a right time. I didn't waited that I'll get a tripod, I'll get good phone, I'll get mic. I started with nothing and everything I have is gifted. I never bought something from my own money for my content creation. And that is what I'm saying. If you want to start, start it right now. There are a lot of people who have dream of being a content creator, starting their own business. I have did a business of like bead bracelets and that. I was very glad I did that. Now I have a good experience of like how to handle people, like talking and everything, communication basically. Fifth, the most important, and trust me, if you will not listen to this, you are gonna regret it because I have regretted it a lot. Avoid drama. Never get involved into things which are not yours. If you will, eventually you'll end up getting disturbed or feeling more bad about yourself because you never wanted that things in your life. You made it come into your life yourself. If it's not related to you, leave it. Never get involved in other people's things. They know their things well than you know about themselves. Always you say, like, even if it's your friends, get involved. I'm not telling that completely ignore them, avoid them, don't listen to them. No, listen to them, be there for them, but never be like, this is what I'm saying and this is what you are going to do. No, it will end up making bad decisions for yourself and the person you are helping in that drama. I now completely avoid it. Like if it's happening in front of me, I will never listen to it. I'll never take care of it. I'm just like, if it's happening, let it happen. You don't need to figure out everything at once. Like मैंने सोचा था I'll do JEE, then I'll get a job, I'll do this, then I'll go out of country. No, bro, nothing like that happened. I was like, now I'm a person who do one thing at a time. Now I have clear goals, what I want to do in this 1 year, then next year. I'm not making it like after 10 years I'm going to this. You're not sure. I'm not sure I'll be there after 10 years to do that thing. If I'm thinking कि मैं 10 साल बाद यही रहूंगी, who knows कि मैं अगले साल चली जाऊँ कहीं. I'm just saying मैं नहीं जा रही. After like this 2 years I'll go in college. If an idea or thing doesn't feel you, drop it and don't look back at it. I'm still having that J trauma because I was like never when I was kids from that I was like I want to be a designer I was saying interior designer and it's still not fixed but I was always like I want to do something in creative field I want to be a designer and that and 9th 10th में ऐसा कुछ हुआ I completely lost it मैं सब भूल गई I was just doing what everyone was doing around me I was more of like I can do that because I knew if I'll still do it I can but it doesn't feels me I can never leave my creative side for anything. So I finally chose it. Work more on yourself rather than comparing yourself. Don't look at other and feel like that person have done this much, you are not doing that much. Never think like that. Compare yourself to yourself. When I look at my past videos like 7 months back, I feel so great. Now I have all the equipments which I need. I know how to make videos. I know how to edit videos. Before I knew nothing. I was seeing big YouTubers like who has 5 million, 10 million subscribers. I was seeing them and I was like, they are doing this. Why can't I? I know I can't because they have done this, achieved this after the hard work of 5 to 10 years. I can't compare their growth to mine. I'll compare mine to mine. And I think I am doing very well back then. Like from back then. I love whatever I'm doing right now. Value that time. Listen to me, the person you. I'm not telling don't watch videos, watch my videos, but I'm saying that stop scrolling, stop using phone too much for unnecessary things. Don't listen to music 24/7. Don't be there on screen for like 5 to 10 hours continuously. If you have free time, make a use of it. Try to learn a hobby which will be helpful for you. Try to learn a skill which can be converted into a side hustle. I did that. I learned making videos and I am making it my side hustle. I have legit very less screen time. After leaving all my like content creation part, I don't watch reels much. I have stopped using Snapchat. I just use it whenever I'm making a video and I need a filter in that. So that is the moment I open it. Like from back 3 4 days, I'm opening my Insta like directly at night to see the updates of my own channel, of my own page. This is my page. So don't waste your precious time. Trust me, it is not consistency, it is not discipline, it is you and your ideas. If you have ideas, you will be consistent in your life. Like if you have something, then you'll do it, right? If you don't have something, how can you do it? Then there will be no consistency, no discipline, no efforts, no faith, zero. So give your brain the time to think, to generate ideas. I will not say that I don't use AI. I do, but I use AI to convert my ideas into a execution plan. If you come up with something in your own field, your own interest thing, just write it down. Use AI to make it more summarized to understand it betterly. Getting out of your comfort zone is a too real thing. Like मैं घर पे कुछ नहीं करती थी, and here I do everything. Like it was also a thing that I never liked doing things after someone says me to do it. I never do it. Like अगर मुझे अभी भी कोई बोलेगा मैं एक बॉटल उठाने जा रही हूँ और कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि तू वो बॉटल उठा के रख, मैं उठाऊंगी नहीं बॉटल. इफ इवन इफ आई वॉज गोइंग टू डू दैट थिंग स्टिल मैं नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पसंद. बट यहाँ पे इट्स डिफरेंट. यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक कि आई नो टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ. तो मैं ज्यादा पढ़ती ही नहीं इन झंझटों में. इफ समवन टेल्स मी पास द बॉटल आई पास द बॉटल, सिंपल. So get out of your comfort zone. That makes you to, used to surroundings. Keep changing your surrounding. Try to talk with different peoples. In make your friend circle, social circle more bigger. So you will hear a lot of thoughts of lot of people, and not everyone thinks same. Everyone thinks differently. So उनके जो माइंड में चल रहा है वो तुम्हारे माइंड में नहीं चल रहा ना. तो if you hear from them, you can understand it, like how things work, because they have experienced it, you have not, or maybe you have experienced it, they have not. Never, never, never feel shame of asking for help. I'm telling you, because it only benefits you. If you are asking for help, you are learning that thing from someone who is good at it, and if you'll become good at it, you can help anyone else. Agar you are not afraid of helping someone, why are you afraid of asking someone for same thing? Celebrate your small victories. I do celebrate a lot. I love celebrating everything. I completed 200 subscribers. I celebrated it like to 20 lakh or maybe 20,000 subscribers because I love, if my any video will get good reach, I'll get happy in that. If a lot of people are liking my stories, I'll be happy that I posted something good, that's why everyone is liking it. So that is what I'm saying. If you will celebrate your small victories, so that will help you make your victories more bigger ones. Like it will lead you to the greater ones. And never, never, never think that something is cringe. It is not. It is just that you are afraid to do that thing. Like अगर कोई ऐसे normally सबके साथ open up है, and you'll be like that person is so cringe, like whatever that person talks, behaves, everything. That is not a cringe thing. That is just they are real to themselves and people around them. Be real. I'm not saying that act. I'm saying just stay how you are. Never be like, I don't reply it fast. I don't do this. I don't watch stories. And I don't go anywhere. That is not cool. Everyone says it is cool. It is not. And everyone knows that it is not. But everyone is afraid to admit that. Everyone thinks that everything is cringe. What you cannot do is how we can define the word cringe. My favorite. A toxic one, but be the main character. It's your life. Live it the way you want. Never think what others will think. Never think, never care. Just do whatever you want to do. You are only there for yourself, to help yourself. If you'll not be like main character of a movie, तो कैसे चलेगा? Life will not work. Life comes from you. So if it's coming from you, so if it's coming from you, make it like your personal movie. A movie which you'll love to watch 1,000 times. Because life is yours. You have the lead. Rule it. I'll also say find joy in non-materialistic thing instead of materialistic ones. Like if you see a cute animal, be happy, feel joy about it. Go to parks, explore it, like watch your favorite dramas, movies, serials when you have enough time. Like don't be happy for things you are getting. If you should be happy in experiences, not in things. No, it's not that never be happy about materialistic things. You'll always be happy about them. But I'm saying rather than materialistic ones. Finding joy is not a huge deal. You can find joy in anything. Just look at it and you'll be like, oh my god, that is so pretty. That is what joy is for me, defining myself. Last, the 16th one, before I'm turning 16. So it is be grateful and kind to yourself because every version of you starts feeling cringe at some time. But you yourself know you were happy in that moment. So always be kind. Never be like, why I'm behaving like this, why I'm doing like this, what's wrong with me. Nothing is wrong with you. Chill. Just be there for yourself. I'm making this video as a personal diary to my another own older self so I can watch it and feel happy about it that I said what was on my mind this day. I'm turning 16 in like 5 6 days and I'm very excited for my 16th birthday. But there were a lot of lessons I learned before that, like in this 15 years of my life. Usme bhi mainly like 2 3 years when things started to change, like when life got little serious, that you'll have to think about your career more and everything. Shoot one for yourself also. What are your that lessons that you learned and compare that video to your older self's lessons. And only goal you have to do in that is never repeat the same mistakes. If it happened for first and last time. Never do it again by yourself, for yourself. So thank you so much guys for watching this video and I made it very thoughtfully. Like it took me 2 weeks to think about this video, what to make, how to shoot. I did whole planning scripting which I never do. That is why my videos are so broken. I'm going to fix it all and I know what my niche is going to be for my channel. Everything I'm going to change after my birthday, like a new start. So I'm thinking for like shooting a 365 days series of my own life from my birthday to my next birthday. And everything I'll shoot, everything I'll capture will be here. So you can also watch it and you can do the same for yourself. Start it on your birthday and end it on your next birthday. Signing off with it. Thanks for watching. Saya.